Hello guys, it's me Ellie Plays Games here, and look what we have. An early birthday gift. The iPad Air 32 gigabytes. It's gonna be hard to do this with one hand. So let's get this open. First let's take a look at the back. It's upside down. Now this is my first time getting the 32 gigabyte model, because I'm using the iPad to record that I have right now, but it's 16 gigabytes. So let's get this open. Yeah, my mom told me to send pictures to my brother. Oh, look at this iPad. It's like really big. I'm gonna find a way to take it out, because I'm doing this one hand. Wow, it feels really light. Sides, nothing. Take a look. Yeah, nothing on this side. Oh, we have the thing on the top. White thing. That's only for the SIM card. There we. Me a SIM card wala. Yes. Sorry about that, guys. Well, it doesn't come with the charger since I already have it, or the pamphlet thing.
Oh yeah. Good. Work हो रहा है.
And this is the SIM card model.
किसके साथ बात कर रहे?
This is the SIM card one, the SIM card model. And I already booted it up. Wow. Can't wait to play with this. So bye you guys. And stay tuned for another gaming video. Oh wait, it does come with the pamphlet. Here, do a minute. Alright, that's the pamphlet. It comes with the SIM card removal tray.
SIM card.
Oh, it came with a SIM card. Alright, bye you guys. Stay tuned for a gaming video.